It is no longer a news that OKX has finally left Nigeria completely, and it has left us with all this feature they have, Web3 wallet and exchange. So you can actually do P2P on OKX. But right now, they no are longer available to Nigeria. So in today's video, I'll be showing you a perfect alternative to OKX, and it's very, very reliable. I've been using this platform and it's more like OKX because I'm going to call it OKX alternative. So the platform I'm actually referring to is actually called gate.io. So this is the gate.io. I'm going to walk you through the entire process of how to sign up as a Nigerian, and you can be able to do P2P. Like if you are Nigeria, there are two other apps that you can use, which is the BitGet and Bybit. So this particular platform also allow you to do P2P here in Nigeria. So ensure you subscribe. I'll actually follow up with this tutorial. So for you to actually get started to this platform, you have to come to your Google Play Store. So you are going to go over to your Google Play Store, or I will definitely drop a link inside the video description for you to actually join this platform. And you are going to search for gate.io. Search for gate.io. So this is actually gate.io. As you can see, this particular app has a lot of rating. Like it has about 45,000 reviews, which is about 3.3 review, and it actually have over 5 million downloads. So that means it is not actually fake app. It's a legit app that you can actually use to buy crypto and sell crypto. So it's one of the best alternatives to OKX right now. So let me show you exactly. As you can see, this is gate.io. All you have to do is to actually click on it to actually install it on your phone for you to actually sign up. So after you've successfully installed gate.io on your phone, which is the buy and sell crypto, so let's go back, and you are going to go back completely. Then let's go back to gate.io. So gate.io, open it. Then you are going to actually sign up with your email or your information. So as you can see, whenever it loads, it's going to give you a blank page for you to actually register. Due to the fact that I've already signed up with this platform, that is why it is actually giving me my own dashboard. So the first thing you have to do whenever you actually open the app is to sign up with your email and your details, maybe your address, and make sure that any information you are inputting on this platform, it is 100% correct and legit, because you are going to do your KYC for the information you are entering on this platform. So let me show you my profile. So this is my profile. As you can see, gate.io user, and I'm fully verified. So on this platform, you can use either your national ID card, international passport, or your NIC to actually get verified on this platform. So after you have gotten approved, you are going to be doing P2P trade. You are going to be trading on this platform, different features they offer. So now let me show you some features this gate.io actually offer. So one of them that is actually very, very important to us, most especially in Nigeria, is this P2P option. So when we click on P2P option, you are going to see that this is one of the best alternatives. As you can see, you can actually trade, you can actually buy crypto using your naira. As you can see, there are a lot of people that are selling crypto using your NGN naira, and if you actually want to sell your coin, you can actually click on here to be able to sell your coin. So in the next video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can buy and how you can sell. Ensure you subscribe so that you are going to be the first one to watch the video. And for the purpose of those that want to trade in dollar, you can actually choose any currency over here. So it's more of like a OKX alternative. So let me go back and show you another features that this platform actually offer. So one of the feature is actually, if you want to trade, you can actually click on this trade option. So you can actually buy your different coin. Maybe you want to buy Ton coin, you want to buy USDT, you want to buy Bitcoin. You can actually trade using all this platform like sell and buy. So all you have to do is to click on the one you actually want to buy. So let's assume that I want to buy a ton. So I'm going to trade ton USDT. So this feature is kind of good for every exchange. So another features that I'll be showing you like is this particular one, which is the end option over here. So this platform actually allow you to actually receive all your airdrop there. You have been tapping like all this Telegram airdrop. So let me show you one of the airdrop that they have done. So we are going to click on this startup mining. As you can see, they actually do launchpad for Cartism. So as you can see, Cartism, and they are going to be doing launchpad for Hamster Combat very soon. So as you can see, there are a lot of airdrop, and they have Web3 wallet. So that reason why you have to actually jump on this platform and start using them right now. So because I've been using them, as you can see, I actually have 51 USDT on this platform. So it's very, very good for you to also join the platform. So, and the last feature I want to show you is this asset option. So you can actually deposit fund maybe using your Naira. So let's assume that you want to deposit crypto to this platform. So you are going to click on deposit over here. You can use on-chain deposit. Maybe you want to transfer from OKX to this platform. You want to transfer from Binance. You want to transfer for Bybit. You can use their on-chain deposit. And if you have someone that already have gate.io, you can use this particular gate code for them to actually send you money, and you are going to receive the deposit instantly inside your wallet. Ensure you subscribe so that I'll be doing a detailed tutorial on each of these features offered by this gate.io. So ensure you subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.